The lyrebird is one of the most incredible mimics in the animal kingdom, native to Australia. Lyrebirds can imitate chainsaws, camera shutters, car alarms, and even human speech. They copy sounds from their environment, including other birds and animals. Males use their impressive tails in elaborate courtship displays, often fanning them over their heads. Lyrebirds are known for their strong legs, rarely fly, and prefer running. They may not be great flyers, but they are excellent runners. Lyrebirds are mostly alone, except during mating season. Female lyrebird build hidden nests in tree roots or logs, lay only one egg per year. They are known to sense approaching bushfires and hide in deep valleys. They also help forests recover after fires by digging and spreading seeds.